Today we will be talking about tables, which in my opinion is the most important thing when it comes to learning Excel. Now, if you take another course, you might see this topic towards the middle of the course. But here we will talk about this in the beginning because if this is cleared in time, that will save you a lot of headache in the future. So let's start. Here you see what looks like a table, but technically in Excel lingo, this is not a table. This is what is referred to as a range, despite the fact that it looks like a table. So when we say a table, it normally consists of two parts. First is the table header, and second is the data underneath each and every heading. The header basically tells that what are we looking at, and then the actual data is below each of these columns. So in this case, let's say column B, the header is the item name, and then we see the name of each item in this range. Like I said again, this is not a table. So to convert it in a table, and we will discuss this in detail in the next video when we talk about cell referencing, that why is it important to convert every range into a table before you start any analysis on it. So in this video, I'm just gonna keep it simple, and trust me, anytime you see any range, you are supposed to convert it into a table first before doing anything else. Now, how do I know that this is not a table, this is a range? One short thing is that there is no table contextual bar right up here. So once I create it or format it as a table, you will see that bar appear. So let's do it. So to convert this into a table, you have to select one cell or box anywhere in this range. Then you go to this bit. It's called format as table. It's a command. You go there and then you can choose any color that you like, which is fine. Once you choose it, it will give you a prompt. Now the prompt is basically asking you the range of the table. So here it's saying that it's from A1 to C5. So this bit is A1, this bit is C5. And you can also see that this is highlighted. And then you have to confirm that your table has headers. So in this table, we already have the headers. If you didn't have the headers, or if you have a range without any headings, then you are supposed to put the headings first and then select this. Okay, and I'm just gonna click OK. And here you see that it says table design. The contextual menu appears. So if I click outside, it's gonna disappear. Anytime I come in the range, it's gonna appear again. So let's look at this bit. So we go from the page layout, then go to the table design. Okay. So I mistakenly added a row. I'm gonna just remove it and go back in. Right. So this bit is important. The first part is the table name. So normally in Excel, it creates a name automatically. So it's going to be table 1. If I create another table in this file, it's going to be table 2, table 3, so on and so forth. But it is preferred that you rename this table right away. This will help you in the long term. So we're going to just rename it. So let's say groceries. Groceries. So this is the name of the table now. Okay. And pivot table, we will do this later in the course. And there are other options available: remove duplicates, convert to range. So if you click convert to range, it's going to change it back to a normal range, like I was saying. So here, there are some other options. So there's a header row, and most of these options are related to the formatting. So if I click first row, it's going to highlight the first column. If I click last column, it's going to highlight the last column. If I'm going to click banded columns, it's going to create a band. There is a total. If you want to add it, you can add it, you can remove it if you like, and you can turn on and off the filter buttons. So this is the first bit. Anytime you see a range, you open an Excel file and you see that that range or the data is not converted into a table, this is the first thing that you do. You convert it into a table. And I think they should be more than enough for today's video. Please do all the good things, like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.